Imagine this. You're sitting on your couch, broke, and wondering how you're going to make your dreams come true. No money, no savings, not even a dime to your name. Sounds tough, right? But what if I told you that some of the most successful people on the planet started with nothing, just like you? They started from zero. Yeah, they started from zero, and today I'm going to show you how you can too. Whether you want to start a business, get out of debt, or build the life you've always dreamed of, it's possible, and it starts right now. But before we dive into the steps, hit that subscribe button. Trust me, you don't want to miss more tips on how to change your life. Step 1. Building skills. Okay, so step 1. If you don't have money, what do you have? Time. And what can you do with time? You build skills. Free resources are everywhere. Want to learn coding, graphic design, marketing? Guess what? YouTube and free online platforms have got your back. All the information is out there, waiting for you to grab it. Think of your skills like superpowers. The more you build, the more opportunities you'll find to turn those skills into cold, hard cash. Step 2. Start a service-based hustle. Now, here's the part that really starts changing the game. You don't need a fancy office, tons of equipment, or even startup capital to start making money. All you need are those skills you just learned. Offer services, freelancing, tutoring, virtual assistants, anything. There's always someone willing to pay for what you can do. You can start today, yes today, by offering your services on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, or even just reaching out to people on social media. The secret? Just start. The first dollar always feels the hardest, but after that, it gets easier. Step 3. Build your personal brand. Okay, now think about this. What's the first thing people do when they want to know who you are? They look you up online. And that's where your personal brand comes in. You don't need money to have a personal brand, just consistency. Post on social media about what you're learning, what you're doing, and the value you can offer. Be the expert in your space. The cool part? You can connect with people who might offer you opportunities, collaborations, or even clients, just from what you post online. Step 4. Don't save yet. Create cash flow. Here's where a lot of people go wrong. They focus on saving when they haven't even made enough to save. If you're starting with zero, your first focus shouldn't be saving. It should be creating cash flow. Freelancing, selling digital products, starting a blog or a YouTube channel, these can all bring in money. Instead of thinking about what you're putting aside, think about how much you can generate, because the more you generate, the more options you'll have later. Step 5. Live frugally. Invest in growth. Now let's talk about living smart. When you're starting from zero, cutting down unnecessary expenses is crucial. Live frugally, but don't stop there. Every dollar you save, you should invest in your growth. Whether that's buying a book, taking a course, or even expanding your side hustle. Remember, it's not about cutting out all fun. It's about being smart so that you can grow what you've got. Step 6. Create digital assets. And now for the fun part, digital assets. If you've got no money, you can still create something that generates passive income over time. Blogs, YouTube channels, ebooks, they all take time, but they cost nothing to start. And once they take off, they can bring in money while you sleep. Imagine this. You wake up and you've made money just from something you created weeks ago. How cool is that? Step 7. Partner and collaborate. Here's a little secret that successful people know. When you don't have the resources, find people who do. Partner up. If you can bring skills or ideas and someone else brings the money or infrastructure, you both win. Partnerships are a great way to scale faster without needing the cash to start on your own. Final step. Keep going. Finally, the most important thing. Keep going. Starting from zero isn't easy, but if you stick to it, build your skills, and keep creating value, you'll get there. Everyone has to start somewhere, The key is to keep moving forward even when it's tough. And remember, I'm here to help you along the way. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment with your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on building your financial freedom.